Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet, from person to person. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
Getting a lot of questions these days, you guys, about how to buy Dogecoin in Canada. Quickest way I've found, and one of the best companies to buy the Dogecoin that makes it simple for you to get Dogecoin in Canada would be Binance. So you go to Binance.com, come up here and you click register. Once you get there, you'll go through here, you'll fill in your email, create a password. When creating a password, try to make it a good password because you're going to have a crypto wallet behind here. So, put a little extra effort into it because you do want it extra secure. You'll see my referral ID sitting right here. And click the terms and agreement and hit create account. After you get registered and you confirm your email that they've sent you, then you'll be able to log in. And once you've logged into your back office of your Binance account, there's a few things you're going to need to do. And the first thing we need to do is you're going to need to set up your account. And to set up your account, you're going to need to do your identification. And the identification is fairly easy to go through. You just got to give them your name, your personal details, and then they're going to ask you to verify your address. Just confirm it's you. You're going to have a little bit of a wait. You'll probably need your driver's license or passport and a way to take a photo of it. And you're also going to then they'll do an approval process. It takes normally up to an hour, maybe a little bit longer. Even do a little bit of a facial verification as well here. And after that, you're all set. So that takes, once you get approved after that, the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be coming in here and you'd be arriving at a page that will look like this. And this has got a bit of so I've got a bit of stuff in here that I'm playing with. This is kind of like my test account to show you guys how to use this software and stuff. So anyways, you'll be going up here and you're going to be buying some Bitcoin, because what you have to do is you're going to have to buy Bitcoin and then trade it for Dogecoin. You can't just go in and buy Dogecoin anywhere directly with your credit card or banking information. So first of all, you come over here and you're going to pick how you want to buy your Bitcoin. Either you're going to do a bank deposit through a Swift bank transfer, or you're going to do a credit card, MasterCard, or debit card. I use MasterCard and debit card. Click on there, come into here. And over here, you're going to see how many US dollars worth of Bitcoin that you're going to buy. So, right now, Bitcoin's $50,000. So if we just entered, we wanted to buy 100 US dollars worth, we'd get 0.00204% of a Bitcoin. And that's great. Click Buy Bitcoin. That transaction normally goes through within minutes. And then you'll come back in and you'll come to your wallet once that transaction has gone through. And you're going to see your new wallet is going to have your Bitcoin in it. And it'll show up right here, under here, and you'll see that they'll have the amount of Bitcoin you just bought right here. And now we're all set. And so this is the back of your wallet, and it shows you all your different currencies that you have and the quantities of each here. We're going to go to Trade, and we're going to go down to Classic Trade. Okay? And when we're in Classic Trade, we need to go over here to this top corner up here, and we're going to hit BTC. Okay? Now once we do the BTC, it's going to bring up the Bitcoin trades like this, and down here we're going to have to scroll through this line up until we see it say Doge. Okay, right there, DOGE to BTC. So that means Dogecoin to Bitcoin, and so that's where we can do trades with our Bitcoin for Dogecoins or Dogecoins for Bitcoin. So click on that. Once you click on that, it opens up the trading platform, and down here you would see, in your case, you'll have your new amount of Bitcoin in your wallet. That's a wallet sign right there. You'll see your new amount of Bitcoin. And then you're going to see Dogecoin, the amount of Dogecoin you're going to buy. So what I do is grab this number, copy it, come down here, paste it into here, okay? And automatically it will show you the amount of Dogecoin you can buy with the amount of Bitcoin that you have in your wallet. Now you don't have to use all your Bitcoin. You could save some. You could invest in Bitcoin as well. But I'm just giving you a quick showdown how to get your new Dogecoin pretty quickly and pretty simply just by doing a Bitcoin trade. Automatically it enters the amount here that you're going to be able to purchase. So I entered my full amount of Bitcoin that I had in this wallet, which is nothing, but it allows me to buy 7 Dogecoins with that amount of money. And sometimes when you go to do the transaction, it's going to say, oh, not enough here, so you're going to have to drop this by 1 or 2 coins. So if it said 7, you can go down to 6, and it would probably allow the transfer. That's because the price goes up and down so fast on these currencies that it may have changed since the time you actually changed the number from here to here. So anyways, once you do this, you basically completed your operation, and you can buy your Dogecoin just by clicking this button, and you'd have Dogecoin into your wallet. To see your, after that, you'll be able to go right to your wallet, like this, and an overview of your wallet, and you'll see all the currencies that you have here. You'll have your new Dogecoins here, and your Dogecoin, you can see right here, I've got, 100,000, I got 1,600 of them sitting here. There's where it'll show up. So this is where your Dogecoin lives, and you can keep it here. You don't have to transfer it. Some people like to transfer it into an external wallet. I just normally leave most of mine, unless I get into bigger quantities, I'll leave them on the trading platform that I bought them from, or I'm using them on. Anyways, there's just a quick rundown how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance from Canada. And it does work for the UK and a lot of other countries as well, but this was just to focus on helping Canadians get their Dogecoin, because that's where I live, and at first it was hard for me as well. So hope that helps out there, everybody, and look forward to hearing from you.